Ban pencelur gi kena Samla ke jela bikin Rung haga kam Shipai ban yadai kari. Haga katsan trik jeliau Hajar Arpuar u Air Officer Commanding in Chief jong ke Eastern Air Command u Air Marshal DK Patnaik ulai ke jing batai ke babnia ak baidai bat ke AGNIPATH scheme jong ke Sarkar Pedeng kabalong ke kabuk siar ki kena ban Rung haga kam Shipai la kalong hak Air Force ke Navy ne ke Army. Air Marshal DK Patnaik habaya keren bikinong pathai kubor ulong bak Sarkar Pedeng kala pentrai kam ya ke AGNIPATH scheme haga baki kena Samla nado kerta ba khatnyo senam san banai hado arpu we senam kerta kinyo kalat ban Rung haga kam Shipai ban chakri ne ke benta sau senam. Ule itu ba kajing penrung kam Shipai haga riber okawai kan long hado kendai posngi nado bak Sarkar Pedeng kala penmi ya kajing pentip. Bat leng bagan ni skim ki Samla ki ban Ajiat kum ki Shipai ni ki bentep kum ki Agnivir bat menta ka senam an penrung kam saupun reu hajar ngut ki Samla. Bat hadin ke sau senam an sajiat arpsan nak Shispa ki Samla ki ban yo beteng haka kam Shipai. Kat ba ya ki nyup san nak Shispa an seplat no ya ki ban letrei no de ki weipat ki kam ki jam. Ulong bak AGNIPATH skim kan ajing mentoi ki Samla ki bi orung kam ha ki tenat Shipai bat igari India hi berokawai. Une he Shipai ulong baki Samla ki basha Ajiat ken haban pendep ke jingyo jing hikai ke bahan reu banai bat hadien kan ye ken selit bentrai kum ki Agnivir bat ken yo aru ikutulap man lau banai bat hadien baki la pendep ke jing Syakri ken yo ya kapisa ke bakot khatwei laktam ha ka ba amnan kam ban siu khajna ula pensyai baki Sarkar Pedeng kelas sedang yakni ke AGNIPATH scheme kam de setia baki sedang bendunai ki Samla ki barung ha kam Shipai. Nrei gede namar bagladan gejing sapriang ka klam COVID-19 hagi senam ki balalej bat kitnat Shipai kim shemlayo alat ban penrung kam Shipai ya ki Samla.
It gives an opportunity for the India's youth to experience military life. The next sentence is very important, without having to make a long-term commitment or engagement. The youth of our country, as we have seen over the years, are better educated and possess a higher exposure to technology as compared to the earlier times. And it envisages enrollment of mostly ITI students, National Skills Qualification Framework candidates, as well as the NCC candidates, ensuring that they are exposed to an improved, tailor-made training curriculum which will enable them to transit quickly and effectively into the Air Force environment. Another bottom line of this scheme is that the age profile, which is at the moment around 32, by the end of 4 years, it is expected to come down to 26 years. So you can imagine what the difference it is going to make as far as the armed forces is concerned. Post this period of 4 years, all Agnivirs will then be going back to the society. And out of this Agnivirs who are inducted, not all, but 25% of them will be retained into the services, whether it is Army, Navy or Air Force. And the selection procedure for this 25% will be based on their performance, and it will be a very, very stringent and open information available to those who want to continue to be in the service. Individuals enrolled under this scheme will get a package of rupees 30,000 per month with a fixed yearly increment. As far as other allowances of risk and hardship, dress and travel allowance will be the same as that is applicable for a regular serving personnel. Out of this 30,000 rupees, each Agnivir is required to contribute 30% of the monthly income as the Agnivir Corpus Fund, and the government will provide interest rate equivalent to the PPF on the amount accumulated on the fund. On the completion of the 4 years, they will receive a Seva Nidhi package. Their contribution and a matching contribution will be from the government. For example, 30% of 30,000 is working out to about 9,000 rupees. They will be contributing 9,000, so that take-home pay will be about 21,000 rupees. The government on its part will also pay 9,000 rupees. So every month 18,000 rupees is going to get credited to his fund, and over the period, because of the increments which I will come to subsequently, this amount is working out to close to 11 lakh rupees at the end of 4 years. For someone who has not wanting to continue or has for some reason not been selected out of those 25%, he will leave after 4 years with a package of close to 11 lakh rupees in his pocket. And what is important is this entire amount is tax free. No tax will be deducted from this. It's a win, win and win situation. Why 3 wins? A, the person who joins, for him it is a win. For us in the Air Force, it's a win. And most important, for the country and the rest of the organization, it's a win. So it's a win, win, win situation. What is there in store for them should they choose to take this path of joining as Agniveers for the Army, Navy and the Air Force?